What? No, no,
All
what?
four of us now.
Everybody,
no,
yeah, everybody
no.
go in there. Secret, get in there.
No. Yes,
Oh,
die
this
gifts.
This is wonderful.
Oh no, no, Daddy, no, F you. Ah!
Yes.
You with me?
Yes.
Ooh.
No.
Yes. Am I the only one who has like a normal ping or what here? Get over here, bitch! Get over here and fight me! I have the high ground. Yes!
Oh my god.
I'm gonna.
Can we do donkey races on your Mario Kart course? Will that work?
I mean, can you ramp a donkey over a lava pit?
That's what I'm asking. I don't know. Go over to the one that has lava in it and try to ramp your fucking
lava.
It's Satan's booty hole.
This is not gonna work.
2 seconds later.
That's straight. Are those witches fucking over there? There's two of them now.
Yeah.
There's two of them now.
I only see one.
What you?
It's one. It's around the corner there.
Oh, I can't see it.
Where did the other one come from?
Oh no, no.
No, I'm not.
Hold on, I got phone call.
Oh my god. Just the timing was perfect because Kips goes, "Are those witches fucking?" There's like two of them now, and Salem there's a pause, and Salem goes, "Wouldn't you?"
Please, we playing golf.
What?
Yeah. Where's your lemonade at?
Many games. I shot Dig Pig in the face, and as I shot him in the face, your guy fell over. It was perfect timing. Right, everybody. Oh, I'm going to space.
That's okay.
Levitation for a minute. Oh gosh.
Oh, well,
Literally a minute
we're
and a
still
half.
going up, chat. We are still going up. We are still going up. 4,000.
A few moments later.
2,000 coming up on 23. There's 23,000.
I just passed you then.
Oh,
can't see
I hit
anything up
23,417 before I started coming down.
I was 2 blocks higher.
Lame. Oh, I was disconnected.
All right. Kill my donkey. Kill my donkey. Swear to God.
Get my donkey.
Get my donkey's name out your fucking mouth.
No.
There was a little bit of an echo. That was so funny.
What's going on, Shrek?
Oh.
I hear maybe even V if she's.
Oh yeah, it's all over my face. Oh yeah, all over it. Yes,
Late night.
yes, all over it.
God.
If this is
Oh.
what number two looks like for you, you need to see a doctor
Late night.
now.
Go away, Yankee. Go away. You don't need to see this.
No, I don't want to see
Manygames,
it.
you
No,
can
I
stay.
haven't seen the trash.
I like to watch.
Oh yeah.
You just see someone peek
You
around
want
the corner,
it
I
on
like
this?
to
You want it
watch.
on this?
No, no.
He likes watching, but he doesn't like participating.
I'm shy. I don't like participating. I'm shy.
There's a fine
All over my
line.
face. All over my face. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dig Pig's in one. Dig Pig wants some too.
That's all I got. I'm all out. I'm spent.
Dig Pig, come here.
Spent.
Dig Pig, right there. Ready? Yeah. Yeah. You want it now too? You want some too? Oh yeah. All right.
If you take it slow and steady.
I'm already lapping you.
Oh,
I'm already lapping you.
Like the
All right.
first
Kip hasn't
time,
even left the
I have
starting
never
point.
used boats, you fucks.
I
Look,
have never used both.
okay.
Alright.
You fucks.
Guy forfeit.
That's gonna be the quote of the day. I don't use boats, you fucks.
I just watch.
Well, yeah, get used to losing your boat, my guy. That's a lie.
Wait, where did he get a sword? Where did this man get a
no.
sword?
He doesn't have a sword. I don't know what you're talking about. He clearly has
Yeah.
no sword. Look at him. Let's see. Dick pic, do you have
Did
a
I
sword?
just witness
How the hell
some
did I
murder?
die? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Damn.
What happened? Wait a minute!
I didn't know sucking off
What the
host,
fuck happened here?
Gives you
Hey!
perks.
What kind of bullshit is this? What the fuck happens to me in Minecraft, man?
I'm beyond
This is
tired, and even I
amazing.
know this is not fun.
What the fuck,
Me
dude?
giving a sword as a dick pig.
God damn it. Alright.
I didn't